Hey, we're going to KK's Play Day. I'm going to show you what this is. It's Play-Doh. And it comes with Mickey Mouse scissors. And I don't know what this is. So, I guess we're just going to find out and open it. So, first, we're going to place the Play-Doh. And what did I get? That's a roller. That's a roller. And you have to open this. And yep, it's open. Now just need to turn that part. Now pull that out. Yep. Now all the stuff is out. Oh, the Play-Doh has to be out too. So now we're gonna play look at this. So now I'm gonna make a Mickey Mouse. I'm gonna get all this Play-Doh out and make a Mickey Mouse. So then I'm gonna cut it up. Now I have to get this out. To get all this out. Now I have to stamp it when I get all this out. And then we have a Mickey Mouse. That is my first time doing that. It's my first time doing that. Now, to stamp it. Hard. So, stamping it. Now look, I made a Mickey Mouse. Can I get all that off?
Yeah, you got scissors.
That's when you do it.
Looks good.
No, I actually need you to do it. Oh.
You like playing with Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Yeah? What all do you make with Play-Doh?
I actually know. I make anything.
Anything.
Anything I can think of. Anything I can think of. Anything I can think of.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So here's what it looks like without it on. So now I'm going to cut them up.
Ah!
And then I'm going to put them back together.
You can make a Mickey Mouse puzzle.
Yes. And Mom, you're going to have to put it back together. You're going to be the one.
I don't know if I can do that.
It's going to be a lot of pieces, though.
Yeah, you're cutting really small pieces.
Maybe cut bigger pieces so it won't be so hard.
Your mom needs help.
I'll try to help you. By, helping you get the pieces.
Oh, okay.
That's how I'm going to help you. So, cutting this. Now, that's actually it now.
Okay, let me see if I can do this. You gonna help me?
Yep.
Let's see. Look at these little bitty pieces you made.
I think this one goes right here, right?
There's the
I
ears.
don't know.
Oh, that's his mouth.
Alright, set it down. Let's see what we're doing here. Oh gosh, we're dropping pieces.
Uh,
Dropping Mickey.
This is his nose, so it goes like this. So that's how it goes.
Hey, close your eyes for a second. Keep them closed.
I wonder what it's gonna be.
I'm fixing the puzzle. Look! I did it!
Put Mickey all back together again.
Oh, how'd you do that?
I'm Mom.
Moms have magic.
So my mom put it back together.
Alright, that was fun.
Yep. So now, so now that I'm myself again.
Okay.
So now I have. So now, how can we make another Mickey Mouse?
I don't care.
How could we do that?
Help him get that Play-Doh out.
Ooh, I know.
What?
Let's do this. Alright, roll them out.
Now stamp it. What are you doing?
Making a Mickey.
By yourself or without the stamper? Without the stamper?
Yeah.
I don't think that's possible.
You don't think so?
No.
What you singing?
This doesn't actually look like a Mickey right now. Mom, it actually doesn't.
Rude.
Not really.
Rude.
I kind of like it so far, though. I actually like it so far.
Dude, my ears! What'd you do to my ears?
I didn't do nothing.
You rolled them up.
Yeah, I did.
Man.
That's what you told me to do.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Look, that's not a very proportionate Mickey, is it?
Oh, I kind of like it.
There.
Uh,
Mickey!
Mickey with baby ears.
It's Disney!
Speaking of Disney, where are you going?
To Disney.
Tell your friends.
I'm going to Disney on my birthday. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
So this we're gonna make we're gonna stick up all of it and then just like make something.
You do it.
I'm gonna cut it up. So now let's cut it up. Cut it up. So now then they do this.
What are you doing?
close your eyes and you can only open them when I say. So, Mom, can you roll it out, please?
Oh, I can open my eyes now?
You have to roll it out.
Oh, okay.
I can tell you when to stop, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, stop. Now close your eyes again.
Okay.
Now. Okay.
What you got? Mickey Mouse!
I did it without even having to
He's
take
cute.
it. We can even make another one. Can you get this? Now, can I open it? How's it look?
Oh, did your friends close their eyes too?
Yep.
Oh. Well, I closed my eyes for no reason.
I did too. He was talking to his friends, not us.
So, now, we're going to flatten it out again, and then do it again, and do it again, and do it again. No. No.
Tell Dad. You gotta clean off the table for when Dad gets here so we can play the game.
Okay. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching my video. Bye.